Welcome back everyone to the Hello World Guy, and in today's video I should first of all apologize for not uploading for the past few days, but I had been kind of busy, so could not upload. But now in today's video we are going to actually create a muzzle flash for our player for when it shoots the gun. So in here, in order to start, I'm going to go under my prefab folder, create a new folder in here and call it VFX. Then just open that folder, and I'm going to create a visual effect here and just call it something like muzzle flash. Just call it muzzle flash and then save it, and just drag it inside of this in order to make a prefab out of that. Then you can delete it from the scene if you want, and you can open up the prefab in the scene view instead. Now what you need to do now is you need to basically what you need to do is you need to let me just go a little closer. Alright, what you need to do is you need to go here and select the actual visual effect and create a new asset template. For this I'm going to create a folder called VFX in the main assets folder, and in that folder I'm going to create a visual effect graph, just call this muzzle flash FL, and just save that. And once I've done that, you can see that the graph appears here, and what you also should see is that we get some particles down here, and you can see these particles are appearing here. And what you can do is you can put this in here on this side, or and you can maybe move these to the side a bit. And yeah, that's so what we need to do is we need to basically you can see that's what it's looking like. We need to now of course make it so that it actually looks like a muzzle flash, which currently does not. Alright, so for the first thing that I'm going to change is that I'm going to go under the constant spawn rate thing that is got. By the way, if you go here and you right click and go or add space, and then go under system, you can see that there are a bunch of different systems here, and you can choose any of that if you want to actually use that. But we are going to just continue with our the thing that we have got here. And the first thing I'm going to change is that I'm going to change this constant spawn rate to 200, and of course also change the system capacity to 200 as well. Once I do that and I save so that it compiles, you can see that this is what it looks like. I'm going to just zoom in a bit, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the lifetime to 0.1 from it is 1 to 3 right now, random. I'm going to change it to from 0.1 to 0.25. And from 0.1 to 0.25, and that you can see causes this to happen because currently there's no way for it to actually go somewhere. So I'm going to change this to be 3 and 5. Between 3 and 5 seems enough, and of course we are going to add 2, -2 and -2 in all directions here, so that this is what it looks like. So yeah, it will just go on for a really short while, if I and that makes the base of the particle. And what you can do for the color is the first thing that we need to do is we need to go under here our assets. I'm going to just in the VFX folder, I'm going to go under 2D, and okay, there is nothing here that we can use, so sadly. So for you can see that for the main texture we are using default particle, even though we should have other textures here. Don't we have like a box, a square? Alright, let's go here, show more results, and yeah, let's wait for a little while, see that it works. Okay, a circle. Alright, it does not seem like that we have actually got any. Okay, let me just say square here. Okay, we don't seem to actually have that asset here. And what you can do in order to get a plain circular asset is you can basically try to like get that through an image if you want to do that. But another way that you can do it, which might actually be better, is to go under the package manager and just search for the not in the project, go on Unity registry, and once you search the packages, there is a package here for like 2D stuff, and if you download that, then you should be able to use 2D packages pretty easily in your game. So just wait for a little while it's refreshing the packages. And once it has done that, just select two of them, and you can see that this got like seven packages in here. And if you actually go in here, alright, that there are a bunch of packages in there. You can install individual ones if you want, but I'm going to just install this whole feature. And yeah, just wait for it to actually get installed. And once it has done that, what you can do is you can actually create a circle in your project directory. Alright, so once you have added that, I've already completed here and completed the effect here. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you go under VFX and add a circle sprite here by whatever way you want. And once you have done that, what you need to do is make sure that you apply the circle sprite in here in the output particle quad thing. Alright. And in the set color overlay, you can see this is the gradient that I have chosen, which does happen to have some kind of HDR glow to it as well. And you can choose the same thing if you want, or if you want to have different stuff here, it's totally up to you. I mean, yeah, you can do whatever you like here. Yeah, that's pretty much up to you. So this is the thing that we have created for this video, and in the next video we will add more stuff to it. We will allow our gun to actually display it when we are shooting, so, and a lot of other stuff. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and also check out my other devlogs channel, even though I haven't been I did not upload there last week, and I think it's not possible this week either, but from the next week we will have regular uploads there as well. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.